With over £300 million in government contracts secured for the NHS, local authorities, and key public services across the UK. At Atlantis, we're not just teachers, we are doers, actively bidding, winning, and delivering on contracts ourselves. Imagine a world where securing a multi-million-pound government contract is not just a distant dream, but a real opportunity that's within your reach. Imagine the impact on your business, steady cash flow, expanded operations, and the prestige that comes from being a trusted partner to the UK government. What if you had the tools, the knowledge, and the support to confidently compete for and win these contracts? What if you could unlock the door to a world where £290 billion is spent every year by the UK government on businesses like yours? What if you became a government contractor? Imagine it. Your company supplying goods or services to the NHS, building vital infrastructure for local authorities, or delivering innovative solutions that help shape the future of public services. No more chasing small deals or worrying about cash flow. Instead, you're securing long-term contracts with guaranteed payments and building a reputation that positions your business for even bigger opportunities. At Atlantis, we don't just teach the process of winning government contracts, we're in the trenches, doing it ourselves. We've secured over £300 million in contracts for the NHS, local councils, and government agencies. Now, we want to share our proven strategies with you. Atlantis isn't just about theory, it's about real-world experience. You'll gain access to the exact step-by-step frameworks we've used to secure millions in contracts. Imagine being guided through every part of the bidding process, from discovering the right contracts to submitting a winning tender. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. With our winning tender documents, pre-built templates, and direct mentorship, you'll save time and avoid costly mistakes. You'll learn the secrets to structuring bids, the exact language to use, and how to present your business as the clear choice. Picture yourself submitting a bid with complete confidence, knowing you've followed a proven system, a system that has been responsible for millions in secured contracts. With our help, you'll avoid common pitfalls and position your business for success from day one. Imagine going from frustration and confusion to having a clear, actionable plan, one that's already been tested and refined through our own success in the marketplace. Before Atlantis, the bidding process seemed overwhelming, but now we've won contracts that we never thought possible. The frameworks made all the difference. The templates, the guidance, the mentorship, everything is so practical and effective. We won our first NHS contract within months. We believe that if you follow our steps, if you do the work, and if you don't give up, it's almost impossible not to be successful. You don't need to struggle alone. We've created a pathway for you to win. Worried about the cost? We have you covered. Our bespoke affiliate program is designed for individuals that are eager to succeed but might be concerned about upfront fees. With this option, you can work with us on a tailored plan. You follow our guidance, you do the work, and we help you get there. We're committed to your success. Whether you're ready to invest in our services or prefer to work through our affiliate program, the result is the same. A clear path to winning contracts, backed by a team who has done it themselves. With the broad range of services required by the UK government, ranging from the procurement of pens, food, clothing, staffing services, and building highways, there is something for everyone. Are you ready to take the next step to turn your business into a trusted partner for the UK government? Give us a call today using the telephone number on our website, or send us an email at support@atlantis.com. Your journey to winning government contracts starts now. Let's make it happen together. Atlantis, master the art of winning government contracts with a team that's been there, done it, and is ready to show you the way.